What up, y'all? This is Damien doing a video demonstration on this keyboard that I just got the other day. It's a pretty nice one, to be honest. Efficient as well. What I mean by efficiency is these buttons right here. So it's a Roccat Vulcan, priced at somewhere, whatever. I'm not gonna give no price. You look it up. So it's pretty straightforward, right? It's got the keyboard, the box, all these features, and it's got this guide installation. So it's a Roccat Vulcan. Now, in terms of like length, right at around 14 inches, you could say. About 36 centimeters in Europe. And see what else. Oh yeah, we can do this. Sorry guys, struggling a little bit here. Let's see. What's that? What's that look like? Yeah, right around 5 inches. How about that? I don't know. You guessed it. 1.5. Bottom line is that this keyboard is good. I like it. I've updated from what I used to have, which was a Razer. And, you know, it's pretty cool. It's got this volume bar right here. And this is a unmute button. The sound of the keyboard I hope you all found this video useful. And see y'all until the next one. Later.